In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to fix Duolingo app not working. So if you're currently having problems with your Duolingo app not working, well then I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix this, because I actually had the exact same problem myself just a couple of minutes ago, but I'm going to show you exactly how I myself was able to fix this. And the first thing you can try to be able to fix this is to actually come to this page right here on your mobile, and then you're going to enable the airplane mode and then just disable it afterwards, because what will happen is that you will reestablish a better connection to either your Wi-Fi or if you're using mobile data, and then you can try again and see if Duolingo is now working. If it's still not working, well then it might be some kind of bug, and you can fix this by actually going into the App Store if you have an iPhone or Google Play Store if you have an Android. And in here we're just going to search for Duolingo. So search for Duolingo, scroll down and see if you have this update button in here, as I do, as you can see. And then we can just click on the update button and then just update it to the latest version, because this should be able to actually fix the most bugs out there. And then when it's updated, you can just log back into it and try again. If it's still not working, well then it might be that Duolingo right now is experiencing some kind of issues, and you can just wait a couple of minutes and then try again. Maybe it's going to be like, maybe they do some kind of update on their own from their end, and that's why it's not working. It might be so as well, just so you know. But basically, if you follow along, you should be able to fix all the common issues with Duolingo app.